And now we got some knobby tires for the Triumph. Let's go tear it up.
All right.
It's a nice dress you got there.
Ready.
Try to avoid the biggest of the rocks. Slags cheer them on. Vroom. We got some exhaust. All right.
It's so awesome. Sounds so good. It's got some meatier tires on it, so it's not breaking loose on them quite so easy. And yeah.
This thing is so fun. Can you tell him having lots of fun?
It sounds so good too. When you roll on, it's amazing. Yeah.
He dances around a bit too.
Yeah, no, it sounds really good.
The go machine and the go thing. And she goes. There's the exhaust. Look how tiny it is. It's great. What fun.
Well, and watching it dance through some of that rougher stuff just a moment ago, like the suspension was really sucking everything up. The bike looked nice and smooth. It was pretty cool to watch.
Perfect.
She's not your mama's street bike.
No. That's a pretty sexy bike you got there.
Don't mind if I do.
Lots of gear. And it gets to carry all the safety gear today because we don't have any luggage for this thing yet. Look at this nice chunky bit. Easy. Perfectly at home in here. It's fine. I think I'm at 25 psi front and rear. That's about what we run in our ATM. Big bike. A little bit of traction, a little bit of cushioning. Good stuff.
we'll get something out of that. Sure sounds nice. Love these slabs of rock. So nice. Chunk for you. How's that?
Cool, that's great. Well, why don't we keep up with a bit more of this till we hit the road?
Sure.
We don't want to do the whole big shooting match on this thing as we're just breaking it in. And then we'll turn north and come out in Lumbee.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Tiring riding this big thing. A little stressful, huh?
Okay. Now what are you doing? Piece of cake. This is turning into a pretty great trail. Yeah. Didn't know you were here. Yeah, so this is 200-kilometer ATV trail, I believe. And this is going to be a fantastic adventure bike gathering route. Beauty.
Okay, that's it for today's ride. Hey, if you are intrigued by this bike, you like seeing big bikes go off-road, well, subscribe, maybe hit that notification bell. Because I can tell you, I haven't seen anybody on YouTube yet who's taking this bike. We're dumb enough to take our bikes. So stay tuned. Right?
Yeah.
We're going to smash on this thing. For now.
Sounds so good.